Hello everybody, today we are going to see the unboxing of Calbiotech C-peptide ELISA kit. So guys, this is the top view and the front view of the kit, and let me show you the sides. Yeah, so as you can see, this is the Calbiotech C-peptide ELISA kit. You can see the catalog number here now, the CP441S, the expiry and the manufacturing date, the lot number, and as you can see, this is a 96 well plate kit, and the optimum temperature is between 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. So guys, you can see now this kit contains like coated well plates, control and standard set, enzyme conjugate, wash buffer, stop solution, substrate, and reference to enclosed certification of analysis for the full compounds detail. And it is a research kit and not used in diagnostics. So guys, this is the manufacturing address, and as you can see, this is the temperature control one, and hence the gel pack. I preserved it in a gel pack. So let me show you the other side of it. So this is the back end, and you can see this is made in USA, California. So guys, let me open this kit for you. So on the top, as you can see, this is the back insert of the kit. Let me read this for you. This is the Calbiotech C-peptide ELISA kit. The catalog number is CP441S. And next we have the certification of analysis. You can see the catalog number here, CP441S, with an expiry date and expiry for all the products present inside this kit. So let me keep this aside for you. Then we have this streptoviridin coated well plates, the 96 well plates. So let me keep this aside. And then we have these reagents. Let me take this out for you. So these are the different reagents present. So guys, these are these reagents, and these are the standards of it. Let me show you. This is the C-peptide standard 1, and this is the C-peptide standard 2. Then this is the C-peptide standard 3. This is the C-peptide standard 4. And you can see this is the C-peptide standard 5. And this is the C-peptide standard 6. And also you can find there is this conjugate reagent. Then we have the TMB substrate. Then we have the stop solution. Then we have the wash concentrate of 20x. So guys, as you can see, this is the entire pack insert of the Calbiotech C-peptide ELISA kit. As you can see, it comes with a standard 96 well plate, streptoviridin coated well plate. Then it has a couple of reagents, the wash buffer, the stop solution, the TMB substrate, and the enzyme conjugate with C-peptide standard 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. After that we have the certification of analysis and the pack insert which comes with the box. Thank you.